Pendiam ini ke channel Banwan Rak Kubor Baman Lakasmi.
Athletes were served with junk foods. There has been a hue and cry across the state, especially against the state government. So I feel that this is a very bad news to be circulated. So may I know what action has been taken? May I know what action has been taken on the part of the government against those media houses or anyone who spread that kind of news?
So no action was taken, sir, regarding that matter, because I think not everyone has spread. Maybe 1 or 2 person has gotten that photo, has spread the photo. So there was no question of having to hold someone accountable for it, sir.
No, sir, because there is a video being circulated through news media that a manager of those athletes expressed displeasure and disappointment about the food being served to the athletes. So you cannot deny the fact that the news was circulated and the people of the state have seen that news.
So, Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, so we're not denying, sir, but then, like I said, sir, we have taken a decision to only serve light snacks because the Honorable President of India had visited and there were so many protocols that we had to follow. So hence, sir, that was the main reason why we served the light snacks. But then, sir, in the world of social media, as you know, everyone can spread anything at any time. And maybe 1 or 2 person, sir, who has gotten that video, has taken that video and has spread it across the state. So like I said, we decided to serve light snacks was only due, because of the visit of the Honorable President of India, sir.
If there is no one to make a supplementary question, we will pass on to question number 2. Deputy Chief Minister in charge, President Song, to reply, please.
Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, reply to third question number 2. Sir, the status of the 2 lanes long Western Bypass road is at the final stage of land acquisition proceeding. B, sir, does not arise in view at A above. C, sir, does not arise in view at A above. D, sir, the timeline for the completion of the project is 2 years from the declaration of the appointed date, commencement of the work, sir.
Sir, I'd like to thank the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister because in the last session I had taken up the construction of the Shillong-Dauki Road, and sir, now the work is in progress. So I'm thankful to the Deputy Chief Minister also because we have seen in the media that there was some problem in the land acquisition regarding the amount to be paid to landowners. But then he is diplomatically, tactfully, he has settled the issue. So sir, I'd like to thank because all those areas that have to use that road, we are facing huge problems, sir. Even now when we came, some of the officers are still stuck on the road because of the heavy traffic congestion there. Sir, I just have few supplementaries regarding Western Bypass. May I know from the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, sir, where will